Here I have LG K8 2017, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So firstly I have to open phone application, then go to the contact section, tap here, then tap manage contacts, select import, then select where from you want to import them, from SIM card and to phone. Then tap OK, select contacts which you want to import. For example, we can import all of them and just tap import. And after that, these contacts will appear on our device. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.